Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get a beautiful looking home screen in any Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see this is my Samsung home screen. So right now you can see I have this kind of Samsung home screen. So how you can convert this home screen into this, so how you can get this kind of beautiful home screen layout. So you can see it's looking very beautiful, right? So how you can get or make your default home screen look like exactly like this. So for this, firstly what you need to do is just tap and hold and just click on settings. Now under the settings you can see here in the second list home screen grid, that is you need to select the maximum one, that is the 5x6. Just select it so that more applications can be loaded. So I have already selected 5x6, so kindly select the last option, that is the 5x6. So after that, so let me delete this widget since I don't need this one. So after that, just tap and hold on the Google Chrome. So if you don't use a Google Chrome web browser, then you won't be getting that similar widgets. So if you want to get the exactly the same, then kindly install the Google Chrome web browser and just tap on it, and you can see your widgets. Just select widgets, and now here you will get one widget's name as search. Just click on it, so you can see here, just bring it to the bottom, just maximize it. So let me place it here, right? And just below it, just you can put some favorite applications, like say I want to put some applications here like Gmail. So you can add your favorite applications or most used applications on this bottom line. So let me add some applications. So our two tasks has been completed. Now on the top we need to add again one widget. Just search for calendar. So you can see here calendar, just tap on it and just select this list, click on add. Now let us make it transparent. So what you need to do, just tap and hold, and you can see your settings. Just tap on it, and now you can make it transparent. Just make it 0. You can see here, click on save. So our top part has also completed. So we need one media player here, that is we need a media player widget. So for this, just open the Play Store and search for one widget's name as audio widget pack. So you can see here audio widget pack, as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. After that, what you need to do is just tap on open. Now you will see tons of widgets. So there are some free and paid. So I have already purchased it, so I can use the paid widgets. So here I'm gonna use this paid widget. So you can use the free widgets also. Firstly you can try, and if you like you can purchase the respective widget icons. So in my case I'll be using this one, so I will place this one, click on add, and now you can see at the bottom widget size. I'll just make it little increase. I'll keep the transparency, everything, and you can see here bind with the player. So you can select here and with which music player you want to make it supported one. So in my case I'm using a Samsung Music. So if you use any other third-party music player, then kindly select that respective music player, or if you want to make it play along with the YouTube, then still you can use with the YouTube. So after that, just you can see in the bottom save, just click on save, and now you will get the widgets here, as you can see here. Now just drag it and move it and just place it here. Just make it elongate and just pull it down. So our all text is done. So let us rearrange it. Let me bring this search bar at the bottom. Right. So finally we have make it similar like the earlier one, right? So this is how you can get a beautiful looking home screen in any Samsung smartphone running One UI. So definitely you can try these cool tricks to make your Samsung smartphone home screen look simple, clean and beautiful. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.